Thank you for joining me. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to draw this linkage widget in Fusion 360. Start off with a new file in Fusion. Save your file, linkage widget with your initials. First thing, create a new component. Name of this component is going to be linkage. Click OK. I'm going to create a new sketch. Left click on the Create Sketch tool. We're going to position this sketch on this bottom orange plane. This is the XY plane for the top-down view. We're going to start off with a circle, a center diameter circle, keyboard shortcut C, starting at the origin right here at 0. We're going to draw it out to 0.880, just typing on the keys, 0.880, enter. We're going to draw another circle. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. I'm going to hover at the center and slowly start working my way to the right, and I'll get this construction guideline. I'm going to draw another circle. I'm just going to eyeball that. I'm going to go back and press D to dimension, and then I'm going to add the dimension on here, 0.250. Sometimes it's beneficial just to freestyle it, worry about the dimensions later, or you can just directly input the dimensions as you go. These circles need to be a specific distance apart. To do that, press D to dimension, click on the center, place your dimension, and it's 1.250, enter. We now need to offset our circles. Underneath the Modify drop-down menu in the Sketch section, we're going to go to Offset, keyboard shortcut O. Click on our big circle. Going to drag the slider to get it started, and it's going to be a distance of 0.125, an eighth of an inch. Enter. Going to repeat that. O is the keyboard shortcut for offset. Clicking on the small circle, dragging it out, and this is going to be 0.150. Enter. Now we need to draw our tangent lines. First, we're actually going to draw them not tangent. Just going to sketch a line from circle to circle, and it's definitely not tangent. You can see that this abruptly joins that circle. We're going to utilize this tangent snap feature and click on our circle, click on our line, and now it's tangent. Repeat that. To make it tangent. We can then go into our trim in the Modify section, trim, keyboard shortcut T, and trim away our unneeded geometry. We now have our 2D sketch. This can be exported as a DXF by clicking on the component drop-down menu. Under sketches, we have sketch 1. Right click on that. Actually, I need to finish this sketch first. I can now export that as a DXF, or I can press Q to press pull, and this little view cube right here, click on the little house to bring it to a 3D isometric view. I'm actually going to pull this up and then type in 0.125 to give us a nice 3D solid model of our linkage widget. That is how you draw this linkage widget in Autodesk Fusion 360. Thank you.